Hello guys, this is Swati and welcome to Spice.n.mayo. I'm so happy to have you here. Today's recipe is Dal Makhani. The ingredients would be in the description box below. Wash and soak half cup kali urad aka black gram and 2 tablespoon rajma overnight or for 4 to 5 hours in hot water. Now in a pressure cooker, put in a bay leaf along with the soaked dal. Add in some salt and 2 cups of water. Cook it for 1 whistle on high heat followed by 4 to 5 whistles on medium heat. Now for the tadka. In a pan, add 2 tablespoon ghee and 2 tablespoon butter. We are using less ghee and butter here as this is home style dal makhani. We do not want it to be very heavy, but if you wish, you can add more. Add in 1 teaspoon Jeera or cumin seeds. Once the Jeera starts popping, add in 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Give this a nice stir till the ginger garlic paste is slightly roasted. At this point, add in 2 teaspoon Kashmiri lal mirch along with tomato and green chilli paste. I had taken 2 tomatoes and 2 green chillies and blended it in a blender to get a paste. Mix everything till well combined. Add in some salt. Remember we had added salt in the dal as well, so adjust accordingly. Now cover and cook on medium heat till this masala leaves some oil. Keep stirring occasionally. While we wait for the mixture to cook, let's check on the dal. Mash the dal just a little bit with a potato masher. Once the tomato mixture leaves some oil, add the cooked dal into the pan. Put the heat on high and give the dal a nice mix. Add in 1½ cup of water and wait for it to come to a boil. Now reduce the heat to medium and cover and cook it for at least 15 minutes. Keep checking on the dal and stir it occasionally. After 15 minutes, the dal should be thick and well combined. You can add some water if you want to adjust the consistency. Now add 1 teaspoon Kasuri methi, stir it and let the dal come to a boil. At this point, switch off the heat, add 1 tablespoon cream and stir it. You can add more cream if you want to make it richer in texture and milder in taste. Dal Makhani is now ready to serve. This recipe is a home style, not too heavy dal that you can enjoy anytime. serve this with Jeera rice for the ultimate comfort food experience. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to show some support.